Now we're going to go into the secret outpost at Nemo Submarine Voyage. Finding Nemo Submarine Voyage. Okay, now we're heading back towards the outpost here. Now, this is primarily designed for handicapped people. But if you're having a bad day or your feet hurt or you have somebody in your party with a cane or even somebody that has issues being confined in a small space or that's a little larger because the seats are very small on the submarine, you can have access to this. It's really very cool feature. The cast member is going to come and turn it on for us in just a second, and I'm going to just let you listen to some mellow music in the background. Unfortunately, we can't have the audio. There's copyright issues for that, and it's only 2 minutes, so hang out, watch just part of the ride, and then we'll go ahead and end this. This is a great hack for anybody that's tired, doesn't want to wait in the line. So here we go. Well, there you go. It was actually longer than 2 minutes. Sorry about that. And then the cast member just doesn't come back. You just have to leave. And then have a great day at the rest of the park. And to the right there is Autotopia. So you can go around to the left there and head right on that ride. Vito's time